Dr. G. Srinivasa Rao, working as a professor, RVR JC College of Engineering. If you want to create WordPress, go to the Google and write WordPress. Enter, make at the site like this, and go to WordPress.com. Now you get the page like this. If you are already existing user, you go to login. Otherwise, if you are the new user, click get started. After that, it is consisting of 4 steps. In first step, let us create a site. What would you like to name your site? You give the name for the site. For example, GS Rao. You write the name there. What will be your site be about? Generally, we are using for education purpose. You write here education. What is the primary goal you have for your site? Offer education and training, mentoring. After that, how comfortable are you with creating website? As we are at initial stage, we are click the third level and continue. After that, it gives your second step. Let us give your site and address. Already specified there, GS Raw. After that, it gives what are the various sites available for this. GS Raw 4620645446.wordpress.com. Here, some sites are premium and some sites are free. Now I am going to select free. Now enter to the step 3. Here we are having free, personal and premium business sites. Select the start with free. After that, coming to the 4th step, we ask to give your email address. I am typing email address as rsraw_rv@mail.com. And username already we given. Accordingly, it will come. Use a password for this. Using the password. Now click continue button. Now we are getting the site like this. Then thank you for waiting. We are ready for you to get started. Continue. The site has been created. We are getting like this. Go to the my site. See how your site is performing. The stage especially everything you need about your site, the visits and got it. My site. Site. Then the site is coming like this. GS Raw for contacts like this. Go to the click home page. Next, customer site. After that, if you want to add the profiles, other things, go to the site pages. After that, you can add my profile. Then after that, to publish, check your mail and confirm your address. It will ask you. Okay. Please verify your mail address. Because in WordPress account we send the email. Okay. If you go to your email and getting confirmed, automatically it will give you. Okay.